Today we're installing a Modz rear flip seat for a Yamaha Drive 2. These are the tools we'll be using today. Here are the parts included with your kit for the installation. We will start off this build by taking off the gutters connected to the uprights. There are 2 bolts holding them in position. Use an Allen key to unscrew the bolts. Pull it down and then unplug it from the drain pipe. Now we will remove the front seat back. Remove these 2 bolts at the back of the seat. Now we will be removing the sweater basket. And repeat this on the other side. Then remove the front seat back. Now we will be removing the sweater basket. Remove the weather seals on either side underneath the sweater basket. With the seat back removed, find something to support the sun top while we remove the sweater basket. Then remove the 2 front bolts on each side that are keeping the sweater basket attached to the rear uprights. Once they're removed, you can now take out the 4 bottom bolts holding the sweater basket in place. There are 2 on each side. Now you can lift up and remove the sweater basket. Next, we will install the new trees. Place them with the 2 tabs facing toward the side of the cart. Then use the supplied bolts to secure the new trees in place. Next, bolt the rear uprights to the trees. Be sure that the rear uprights are behind the tabs of the new trees. Use a bolt and washer to secure it into place and tighten down with a washer and nut. Now let's install the rear seat back. Align the 2 holes on the back of the seat with the holes on the trees. Then use the supplied bolts and washers to secure them together. Fully tighten these down. Now you can remove the support that was holding the sun top up. Completely tighten down what we have in place now, as we will be reinstalling the gutters to the rear uprights with the bolts we removed earlier. Now reinstall the front seat back with the same hardware we removed earlier. Now we will be installing the down supports. Start by removing the 2 bolts in the bag well. Once you have them removed, you will drill out the hole to accommodate the bolts we will be installing. With the holes drilled, we will be installing the down supports. Be sure that the tab is facing inward. Use the supplied bolt and washer to hold it into place. Then install the footplate bracket underneath the cart to the same bolt used for the down support. We will now install the flip seat base. Softly set it on the back of the cart. Then bolt the front of the seat base to the trees. With those in place, you will now slide the down supports into place. With those in place, you will now slide the down supports into place. Be sure to secure it with a carriage bolt in the second slot of the seat base. Now we will install the arm rails. Have the short side toward the front of the cart and bolt it into place with the supplied hardware. But be sure to use a carriage bolt in the back. Keep the assembly loose for adjustments later. Now we will install the footplate. Align the supplied bracket with the hole at the bottom of the arm rail. Using a bolt and washer, slide the floor plate into place and secure with a washer and nut. Then use a carriage bolt to hold the front part of the bracket and the footplate together. With the bracket installed, we will install the footplate bracket underneath the floor plate. With the bracket installed, we will install the footplate bracket underneath the floor plate. Be sure to install the bolt on the outermost hole. And repeat these steps on the other side. Next, we will install the flip seat. Set the seat into place. Then align the holes with the holes on the flip seat base. Use a bolt and washer, then a plastic washer between the two, and secure with another washer and bolt. With everything installed, all there is left to do is tighten down the entire assembly. With the entire assembly tightened, you are now done with the installation of your Modz rear flip seat.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for all your golf cart parts and accessories, check out DIYGolfCart.com and make sure to check out our other videos.